Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Tuesday the 25th of October, Keynsham today. Only the one thing, actually quite a few things caught my eye, but they were all more expensive than I wanted to pay, so I'll show you all of them afterwards. But I spotted this, 99p, obviously that caught my eye. Apparently originally £3.99. I've done quite a few of these clip together wind up plastic kits, but I've never seen a reindeer before, so that could be fun. It's also clearly a Christmas related item. Let's see, 2013 Fizz Creations Limited. Never heard of Fizz Creations Limited before. Build your own wind-up reindeer. We'll have a quick peek inside to make sure all the bits are there, but I won't make it in this video. Yep, that's it. That's the standard one of these plastic kits. So I will put it together, but I'll do that in a separate video. Now I'll show you the stuff that caught my eye.
Processing. It's gone through. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Lovely. And now your 2 receipts. On Sunday. Remember I lost my pen? I left it in the co-op. Like, no, nothing. Yeah. I said, well, she's left it on the you like the new so I've got loads of things. Just put 2 from those. You're such a Grinch. Like that? Yeah, that's it. No. So you put it past no. Oh, God. I know. It's nice. It's lush, but yeah, I put a lot on no, it's just that I'm going to wear it now, little sleeves. No, don't mind. Probably the TSA space. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.